Unlock the secrets to nature's magical elixir. Discover the hidden gem of goldenrod tea. Learn how to make it in less than 60 seconds. Here is what you will need. Dried goldenrod flowers. Water. Honey optional to sweeten. Next, gather your flowers. Make sure they are dried and clean. Put the water in a kettle or saucepan and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, remove it from the heat and add the dried goldenrod flowers. Cover the pot and let the flowers steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Pour the tea through a strainer into a cup. Sweetening is optional. You can add honey to taste.
Enjoy.
Your goldenrod tea is ready to drink.
Like and subscribe. Nature Life Florida.